Why some people make double meanings and vulgar content on social media? In future, they will repent when they will watch their content, or their generation will watch their content. Then they would wish that their content should be deleted. But at that moment, so many people would have downloaded your content and again uploaded on social media. So at that time, you will not be able to delete your content you will wish for. So, right now, this is the proper time. Perhaps there is no person who will guide you that how you should make videos, how should you create content for social media that will suit according to the educational content that should be, or that should be, if entertainment or funny videos, but there should be message in those videos, not vulgarity, not double meaning words. Don't use in your video. This will be better when you will watch your videos in future, because right now perhaps you don't have upbringing, proper upbringing, and you see the content that is vulgar, that is double meaning, and when you see the views in millions, then you feel astonished and you think that if I would make content as it is, my videos will go viral also. But this virality is not good for your future life, because in future your children, your family members, or you yourself watch your video and you will repent which type of content I used to make in past. So this is the right time that create content that is educational, that is that content which can be seen with family. If family members are sitting and collectively they are watching your video, and they will not feel ashamed while watching your video. Your content should be on this pattern. Otherwise, in future, you will repent that which type of content in past you were creating. So this is the right time. Create good content and share good ideas that will stay forever, and you will feel happy that your message is going still towards the people. Before leaving, do subscribe Altaf Malik and give your feedback below in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.